Greetings, beautiful ones, and welcome to Magic Witch TV. Today we're talking about the 7 deadly sins and how you can avoid falling into their traps. Each one has its own sneaky way of creeping into our lives, but with a discerning eye and a few helpful techniques, you can steer clear and stay on the path of light and love. Let's dive in. 1. Pride. Pride is when we think too highly of ourselves, often looking down on others. To spot it, notice if you find yourself needing constant validation or feeling superior. A useful technique to bypass pride is to practice humility. Celebrate your achievements, but also recognize the strengths and contributions of others. Remember, we're all on this journey together. 2. Greed. Greed is the insatiable desire for more, whether it's money, power, or possessions. If you notice yourself constantly wanting more and never feeling satisfied, that's greed. Combat this by practicing gratitude. Take a moment each day to appreciate what you already have. Contentment can be a powerful antidote to greed. 3. Lust. Lust is an intense longing, usually of a sexual nature, that can cloud your judgment. If you find yourself objectifying others or being consumed by these desires, that's lust. Redirect this energy by focusing on meaningful connections and deep, genuine relationships. Love and respect should always come first. 4. Envy. Envy is the feeling of discontent when you desire what others have. It's that little green monster that makes you feel inadequate. To spot it, notice if you feel resentment towards others' success. The technique here is to cultivate joy for others. Celebrate their victories as if they were your own, and you'll find your own happiness multiplying. 5. Gluttony. Gluttony is overindulgence, usually in food or drink, but it can apply to anything in excess. If you find yourself consuming more than you need and feeling guilty afterwards, that's gluttony. Practice moderation. Listen to your body and give it what it needs, not what it wants. Balance is key. 6. Wrath. Wrath is uncontrolled anger that can lead to destructive behavior. If you feel your temper rising and you're lashing out, that's wrath. The technique to manage wrath is mindfulness. Take deep breaths and count to 10 before reacting. Channel your anger into something positive, like exercise or creative expression. 7. Sloth. Sloth is laziness and the avoidance of responsibilities. If you find yourself procrastinating or feeling unmotivated, that's sloth. Overcome it by setting small, achievable goals. Break tasks into manageable chunks and reward yourself for completing them. Momentum will build, and you'll find it easier to stay active and engaged. Remember, my dear ones, awareness is the first step towards change. By recognizing these sins and using these techniques, you can lead a more balanced and fulfilling life. Stay mindful, stay compassionate, and keep shining your beautiful light. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more magical content like this. Stay blessed and take care.